So today we are going to take a look at Mr. Miggle. It was a meme. It was a meme coin, Miggle. So we're going to analyze it today, and then I'm going to predict, according to me, what's going to happen for the bull run for Mr. Miggle. So as you can see here, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. We are on the American session. You see the red background. And Mr. Miggle, he gained 26% for me this morning. I entered here in the middle of the channel with a win, and we came to secure the 26%. The indicator that you see here is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. So you see there are clouds, and now we have the vectorial candles, we have the channel middles, we have the breaks of structure, the changes of character. It's an indicator that's doing incredibly well. And it's also the version 2.0 that I programmed. In fact, and you can see that it also gives us the targets, the 1.618, which gives us the target. So in version 2.0, which will be available on Discord, you will have these new boxes like this. And the sessions, it's an Asian session, European session, or American session. You will always have the vectors, the vectorial candles. And if you want to have the indicator right away, version 1.0, you won't have these boxes, but you will still have the clouds and the vectorial candles. At the bottom of this video, you go to Discord, and on Discord in the indicator section, you can get it. It's completely free, and you can use it in your trading view. If you want to join me on these trading platforms, here, $10,000 bonus, $8,000 bonus, and if you choose one of these 4 platforms, you message me here, and I'll put you in my Telegram group where people are getting results. Even today, you see, we are at 100% and 1.46%, and XBT at January 216%. So if you choose a platform, message me, I'll put you with the team of 504 traders, the Crypto-Quebec trading team. Let's get back to Mr. Miggle. We're going to go on the 4-hour chart to see what's happening. To see that it's really beautiful, we just broke the previous high here, so we're going to push. We're going to push at least up to here, and maybe even up to here. So the targets are beautiful. And as you can see, my indicator here, you see this top here gives me this. And